Okay, here is the original factory stereo taken out of the car. It's an R&S 315. I take that harness and connect this harness to it. It's the only one in the whole kit that fits. Okay, so there it is plugged in. You can see the CAN bus is hooked up. I'm gonna close that up, snap the little lock shut. Now it's in place and locked. Here is the Android head unit. Now I'll take this and hook this up. The only wires I will connect at this point, here is the power. Oh, and you can see the red and the orange is not connected. There's the other end of it. And I will hook in the antenna. Here's the antenna going in. If I can line it up. Oh, wrong hole. Here is the antenna going in. Antenna connected. Power connected. CAN bus connected. But the other end of the CAN bus wire is not. Here's the other end of the CAN bus going in. I'll turn the car off first. Here's the other end of the CAN bus going in. Now turn the car on. Android is starting. Now if I do... Oh, the USB is not plugged in. I can't do the USB sound. Hold on. Okay, I plugged in the two USB along with the CAN bus. Now... Gotta wait for it to recognize the drive, I guess. Well, I'll worry about that later. Here's, if I go to band. Hear all that noise? Can't really hear the radio. Oh, I went too far with the volume. If I turn the key off but leave it in, key back on, lots of bad sound. The text from the radio station is no longer updating. Now, I did this with the CAN bus and without the CAN bus, and it is making the noise both ways. CAN bus is now disconnected. Unit's in my hand. The wire was loose. I'm just going to plug up the power. Power is now connected. The radio is on. Oh, it's still muted. Key is off. Key on.